Welcome back to Get Updated Now, and here we have Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2, the latest one, right? And it has 12 GB RAM, 250 GB hard disk. So, looks pretty cool. Just look at it, the size of the screen is awesome. So now we have turned it on. Let's wait. And now. Cool, right? The first thing we love to check is the camera quality, and that is quite awesome. Scanning feature is usually there in all the latest Samsung phones. Now if you close it, so you can use this screen, which is the usual screen that the phones have. Let's try this. This game, Tom Gold Run. You'll find it in all the Samsung phones. It is quite fast, smooth. Pretty expensive though, but it is worth. It looks like, seriously, it is worth. So you can use the camera like this, and even after, like, when you open it, you can use the camera. So on the small screen as well as on the big screen. So they have updated it well, and the screen quality is really nice. It is so clear. The zoom is also impressive. So if you have that kind of budget, I would really recommend you to buy this one. Thank you for watching.